Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use FileZilla File Transfer Protocol client software and you upload your website as a day-by-day or specific time duration using FileZilla software, and that one is open source available of website. I'm providing you this link in video description, and how to change your website page as a fraction of second and then upload and then check out website. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply you need to download the FileZilla. Just simply type here FileZilla and then such kind of URL is display here. FileZilla is the free FTP solution to both client and server. FileZilla is open source software distributing free of charges. So simply click here and download here, all platforms and Windows only. So I'm selecting this one. I'm accessing the Mac operating system and download here. It's very simple, only 13.5 MB software. After finish the download, you just simply click here twice, follow my instruction, and such kind of software is display here. You just simply drag and drop this application tab in the software. I already installed, but just simply I replace here. So first of all, I will explain regarding my website. So this is my website page, and just I am simply open this website. So here Sangram Singh, I am a data scientist word is coming. So I want upload here senior data science and then data science and then principal applied scientist, such kind of word one by one. So how to modify within a fraction of second and then upload server side, check out very easily. First of all, I open my website, personal website here. So this is my website page. I already changes, but I will explain you. So look at this, I already changes, like I am upload here senior data scientist, then data scientist, and then principal applied scientist in natural language processing and machine learning scientist. So I am adding this word and then uploading this page in server side. So how to upload very easily, just simply open your launchpad, check your FileZilla application. So open your FileZilla application very easily. So here you are purchasing the domain, so you need to host ID, username, password and your port. I'm add here my host name and then my username and then my password and my port, and just simply quick connect. So my website is connected here, like this is my website pages. This one is server side, and now I'm accessing my website here. This is page. So simply I drag and drop this index.h file here, copy, drag, such kind of drag and drop here. Need to overwrite, of course I want overwrite only this file. Actually I have already all backup of my personal website, physical operating system, and then upload here server side, and this dictionary is listed as successfully. So just I'm simply here refresh, and as senior data scientist, this word is updated here, and that directly this website display here in internet, simply sangramsingh.com, and this sentence are display here. Very easily I modify anytime in my personal website or personal company web page or organization web page using FileZilla software. It's amazing. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.